Hello, welcome to Gladitech YouTube channel. In this video we're talking about how to fix TikTok message option missing. So if your TikTok message option is missing, the first step you have to take is to make sure you have the latest version of a TikTok. The next thing is to log into your TikTok account. Logging on your TikTok account, you just have to click on your profile option found at the bottom of your screen. The next thing is to click at the top right corner, the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to click on settings and privacy. Clicking on settings and privacy, you just have to click on privacy. You are going to see option called direct message. You just have to click on it. So click on allow direct message from. So clicking on it, you're going to see everyone's suggested friends 47 and no one. So if yours is on no one, it simply means that your TikTok message option will be missing. So you just have to click the toggle close to everyone in order to make it to be general, to be public. Just click on it. So guys, I have been able to fix TikTok message option missing on my TikTok. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.